Okay, welcome. This one is a part 1 of class 11 chemistry. The chapter is periodic classification of elements. Now, genesis of periodic table. What happens in those days? Only 53 elements were available for study. Only 53 elements पाया गया, डिस्कवर्ड किया, जिसे हमें पढ़ना था. अब वो 53 एलिमेंट्स को किसी कैटेगरी में जाना है, पढ़ना है, जैसे अल्किली मेटल्स हो गए, हेलोजेंस हो गया, रेयर अर्थ मेटल हो गया, ट्रांजिशन मेटल हो गया, लैंथेनाइज, actinides हो गया, non-metal group, metal group which has a valency 2, valency, variable valency. It was very difficult. So what they did, they put a classifications which show similar physical and chemical properties. The first of this one was this concept was developed by that is the genesis means the inceptions. Daubernier triads. We call it triads. Let's try to understand what does it mean. He took whatever elements, 53 were discovered. To what he did, 53 elements. So what he did, he collected all the physical and chemical, he determined all the chemical and physical properties of those elements. So the first one, he studied about the alkali metals. किसके बारे में पढ़ा? पहले alkali metals के बारे में. But in those days, only three alkali metals were discovered. What was? Lithium, sodium, and potassium. About rubidium, cesium, francium is yet to be established or discovered. So what they have did? Suppose he knew the atomic mass of lithium 7, and he knew about potassium, which is around 20. I think that should be 39. Yes, 39 AU. And the experimental value of the sodium. Sodium was 11 atomic number. See, these are the atomic number. This is the atomic mass. So 23 atomic mass. So this is an experimental data. What these are? Experimental data. Okay. Now he wants to calculate 3. He means that the triads means only 3 elements will be involved. Triad. What triad itself means? So what he did, he took the mean atomic elements or mean atomic mass of the first element, that is the lithium, and the third mean of the third atomic mass of the third element. He plus to these first elements and second elements, their atomic mass, and calculated the atomic mass of the second elements. So let's say atomic mass of sodium, he found that he taken the first mean atomic mass of the first atom. Let's say first 7. Now 39. So what he did, he divided by 2 because he took the average. Okay. Now it is nothing but 46. Yes, 46 by 2. So 49, it is nothing but 26. Just simple division. See, and this 23 atomic mass is nothing but the theoretical value. And what he got from there, that was an experimental values. So when he correlated, मतलब इनको जब ला करके ये वैल्यू मैच हो रहा है, ये अप्रोक्सीमेटली मैच हो रहा है, मतलब आपका ये एलिमेंट और ये एलिमेंट प्रॉपर्टी, ये अल्कली मेटल्स का सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी शो कर सकते हैं, जैसे फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. सो दैट वाज नोन एज द triads, and he took the first. I'll give as an 8. So I'll discuss about 5 of them because he had discovered a 5, and the 6th he was failed, miserably failed, and the reason also I'm going to give you. 5वां में इन्होंने फेल हो गया. उन्होंने अल्कली में कहा, हेलोजेंस में गया, आपका रेयर अर्थ मेटल में गया, फिर इसके बाद में he took many of the डी ब्लॉक ट्रांजिशन मेटल में, जहां पर उन्होंने सक्सेसफुल भी गया, फिर कुछ में उन्होंने आकर के हेलोजन में फिर आकर के उन्होंने फेल हो गया. तो वहां से ये इनका बस. यस, he has gone to some extent to make the group based on periodicity is the function of increasing atomic mass. मतलब periodicity means properties whether increasing or decreasing is the function of increasing atomic mass. अब देखो यहाँ पर increasing atomic mass नहीं हो रहा है, 7 हो रहा है, 23, 13, मतलब ये increase हो रहा है. तो periodicity means property either decreasing or increasing. तो आपका यहाँ पे देखो बिहार में देखो ये इंक्रीज हो रहा है. तो पीरियडिसिटी इज द फंक्शन ऑफ देयर एटॉम इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास. यस, पहला एटॉमिक आपका नंबर कितना 3, 11, 19 और उसके साथ आपका एटॉमिक नंबर भी पड़ रहा है. तो ये आपको इन्होंने कहा था डोवर्नियर ट्रायड्स लॉ और रूल. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel. As ever, it inspired me a lot to upload new videos. This is for class 11 particularly. Subscribe my channel. As ever, you look very alert and all to copy it. Please pause it and copy it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bell the icon. Share it with your friends, and we'll meet in the next continuation of this particular part. ये हम लोग फिर continue करेंगे. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.